Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are going to talk about how to change your font size in a Samsung device. So maybe you want to change your font because you are not finding it too comfortable to watch in it. So I'll teach you how you can do that, and you can check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's jump right into the video. So for that you need to go to settings. After going to settings you need to click on display. To go into display you need to click on font size and style. Going to font, you can select what font you want. So I want this font right now, so I'll click on it. So there you go, my font has been changed. So that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, you can comment down below in the comment section, and be sure to subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.